What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the screen recorder video quality to high, medium or low in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down and click on screenshots and screen recordings, and then in screenshots and screen recordings, scroll down to the screen recordings section and tap on video quality. Now here you have three options: high, medium or low. So if you want to set the screen recording video quality to low, then tap on low, and if you want to set it to medium, then tap on medium, and the third option is high, and if you want to set the video quality to high, then tap on high. So that's how you can change the screen recorder video quality to high, medium or low in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.